What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mills over here with another sneaker review. Sorry this is a little delayed. I have more computer issues and just haven't been able to get to it. So today we're gonna look at the SBB 3.0s, which is Shattered Backboard 3.0s. They released last week. I was lucky enough to get promoted from the wait list on Foot Action. I don't know how it happened. I guess somebody didn't want that size 12. But let's get into this review. You got your Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Black Starfish Pale Vanilla, USA 12. There's your sticker from Foot Action. You got your standard Jordan 1 box. Nothing different on this box. It's all the same. You got your, I think that's like your quality control stamp on there. Of course, receipts and rewards. Let's check these babies out. See, people don't really like that shine. I've seen there's a few people that have done a matte finish on them. They do look dope, not gonna lie, but I like this. It's a little different touch from what we're usually used to, what we normally get. But I think these are dope. Definitely keepers for me. A lot of people don't like this pale vanilla sole. They wish that this was white and then like maybe an orange or black down here. Excuse me. I think that would actually have been a good idea as well. But what can we do? Nike trying to give us, well, Jordan brand and Nike trying to give us something different. Along the same lines of like a patent. To me, this reminds me of like shattered glass kind of look. It's a shiny patent, crinkled patent leather. You got your orange on the toe box, orange on the swoosh, orange on the back heel up to the collar. And you got black, more black crinkled up here. You got your normal cushioning on the inside, and that black material. You got your nylon tongue with your Nike Air in orange with the black background. As I said before, pale vanilla. Outsole and midsole. I mean, there's not really much to say about these. And of course, on the inside, you got your Nike Air size 12 shoe tree. You got your Air Jordan Wings logo right here. Nice touch as always with all of the Air Jordan ones. Nike Air on the bottom. I mean, it's a dope shoe. I like the shoe. I think it's pretty dope. And then along with that, you get your extra lace bag, the Jumpman on the bag here. And this is the other shoe. This is the left shoe. Pale vanilla bottoms. Pretty much all the same. Not much of a difference going on here. I just wanted to do a quick review for you guys because the last time I did a review, that one was a bit longer, but this one's gonna be way shorter. But tell me what you guys think. Do you like this pair? Did you cop a pair? Did you pack